Okay, so what I have with me here today are the Evolve Ultra Concentrated Bleach tablets. There are 32 tablets inside. And then this is the Summer Lavender scent. And it says it's for whiter laundry and cleaner hard surfaces. It is the 5.64 ounce container, and it is from like the brand HE. So like all the little washing machines and things by them, and all the, laundry things by them, and kitchen appliances and things like that. And then it says here, just evolving new concepts for cleaning. And it's just a purple container here. This is what it looks like. And it tells you like on the sides, like notes and stuff and what not to do with it. And on the back here, it says how and where to use. So it's telling you how you use it here. And everything that you can use it for. And then it also says it's phosphate free. And this is like the reduced packaging. The container used to be bigger. And that's just what it looks like. So what I want to first start off by saying with this product is that it is a cleaning product, obviously. It's, the ultra concentrated bleach tablets. And I really like this product because it's a very non-messy way to clean. And I really like that because there are a lot of cleaning products that, when you try to like pour them or, like put them on something, it's very easy to make a mess. And if you saw on the side there, it said keep out of reach of children. And this is really easy to keep away from children. First of all, because it's a small container. Second of all, because on the lid, you have to like push it down and twist. And I know with a lot of children, like, obviously they're not smart enough, to like twist it down and like try to open the container. So really like that. And bleach is, very dangerous. So you want to try to keep this away from children and things like that. It's very cute. It's a very small container. I really like that. So if you were to need to travel with this, or like put this in like a small space somewhere where someone can't find it, it's very easily like it fits in a lot of places because it's such a small container. Like I'll put this on top of like another bottle and it'll fit in that little section that I put it on top of. Inside, the tablets are just white. Obviously you probably wouldn't want like a colored bleach tablet just because, if you're using it to clean a surface, you don't want the color to stain the surface or anything like that. I was actually given this by my mother. She knows I'm in college, so it's easy for me to just, put one of these in something that I need to clean and just put it away instead of having like a giant bleach bottle just kind of sitting somewhere taking up a ton of space. Whereas these, there are a lot of tablets and, you only need to use like one or two for depending on what you're using the tablet for. And so with this, if you look on the back here, as I was showing before, it shows you here that you can put it for your laundry, you can put it in a bucket for cleaning, or you can put it in the toilet to, clean the toilet out and stuff like that, and just, use a brush. And it kind of gives you like the directions and, how to use it and stuff like that. It says don't use on any metal surfaces or anything like that. And I haven't tried that, so happy I haven't tried that, But you can just use it for anything. Put it in a bucket, put a towel in there, clean. Put it in your, your whites of your laundry when you're doing laundry. You can also use this for like your bathtubs and your floor tiles and showers and your kitchen sinks and, to clean out garbage cans and things like that. And I really like how it's just very multi-purpose and you can use it for so many different things. So what else I like about this product is it is the summer lavender scent. And what I really like about that is there are actually not a lot of lavender products that I like, just because the scent is very strong and it's very like floral-like, and I don't like things that smell like super flowery. I don't know, it's just something weird. But I really like the smell of this because it still smells like bleach, but then it still has a nice, like, not so strong lavender scent. And I really like that because it keeps whatever you're doing still smelling nice, but at the same time, it keeps it smelling like you just cleaned it, instead of like a super strong, just a super strong like scent. And I can be very sensitive to certain smells, and so I just like how this one, I don't like that smell doesn't hit me in the face. So I just really like that. I've dropped this on the floor a couple of times, and the container just it doesn't break. Like, I dropped this so many times, and it's a plastic container, so it doesn't just, you know, like up and break and things like that. I have since I got this from my mom, I haven't bought it, so I don't know how much it costs, but my mom is a very cheap buyer, so she likes to buy a lot of things at like a low price. So I'm pretty sure this was not expensive. So there are a lot of tablets that come in here that you can buy for a cheap price, and you can use for so many different purposes. And that's what I like, because I've used this for cleaning, I've used this for my laundry, I've used this to, like, you know, just clean things. And I just like how it's all so easily like accessible, and easily like you can just clean it and then just put it away in such a small space. So again, this is just the Evolve Ultra Concentrated Bleach Tablets of the lavender scent.